Y'all need to hear what my car sounds like when I start it. So to start my car, you just put your foot on the brake and watch what happens. Let's see what happens if I start driving. Oh God. What else can we do with this thing? What? Bro, I feel like we need people's reactions for that one. That's crazy. All that stuff is made possible with this little thing called the Glide Sphere. It's actually a speaker and it's just connected to that power bank right there, and it connects to your phone. And you can literally make it any sound that you want, and it's loud. Like legit, if you guys think we should go out and go get